Yay, I'm so excited.
Hey beautiful people, hi! I trust that we're all doing well and we're appreciating the little things in life that we took for granted before this circuit breaker. One of the things that I think we took for granted is the luxury of buying bubble tea.
Yeah.
And that's Abby's favorite.
I love bubble tea.
Yes. Okay, so let me make it for her. Let's get started. Okay, so now we have our dough. Divide into 2 equal parts. Abby, you take one.
Okay.
And I'll take one. And let's roll it out into 2 long strips.
Okay. Let's try.
If it gets too dry, you can add a little bit of water to it.
You know, can we make it into a snail? Snails? I don't know if anyone else did that.
Okay, I got no space.
I got no space also at my bro. Cannot.
Okay, my son. Dry.
Dry. That's mine. Become a circle again. Open. Nobody saw that. I'll eat that one. If you can remember which one it is.
You put mark on it.
It's the one that has one side that's slightly flattened because it fell from a height.
If it gets too dry, because we took too long to roll out, add a drop of water, and you'll be fine. And it's done. Cheers.
Yay, I'm so excited. Wait a second.
Okay, the poles are a little big. Okay, use a spoon. Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah.
Okay, let's use a spoon.
So maybe cut them a bit smaller than the video. But other than that, it's perfect. It's actually much nicer than the poles that you have in the normal bubble tea shops.
Because it's freshly made.
So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that we'll keep trying to make delicious food healthy. See you next time.